Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can improve image quality in Canva. So here I've already opened an image on my Canva apps on my phone. So there are two ways to improve the image quality in Canva. The first thing is that you can just resize the image by clicking on the three dots icon at the top. Click on resize, and now change the white and height on pixel into the highest settings, which is 5000, like this. And after that, you can just click on resize, and when you do that, your pictures will be resized into 5000 pixels that you set before, and it will have a better quality. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on thanks. Thank you.